Google has done it again! The Pixel 9 series is here, and it's hotter than ever. Let's dive into what this tech giant has cooked up for us. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. 90% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. Pixel 9 series overview. We've got the standard Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL. All three boast stunning displays, impressive battery life, and Google's powerful Tensor G4 chip. Design and display. The Pixel 9 series flaunts a sleek design with a focus on premium materials. The Pixel 9 and 9 Pro sport a comfortable 6.3-inch display, while the 9 Pro XL boasts a cinematic 6.8-inch screen. All three feature vibrant displays that bring your content to life, performance, and battery. Under the hood, you'll find Google's custom-built Tensor G4 chip, promising lightning-fast performance and AI-driven features. The Pixel 9 packs a 4,700 mAh battery, while the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL boast 5,060 mAh batteries, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. Camera features. All three models share a 50MP main camera and a 48MP ultra-wide lens. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL get an extra 48MP telephoto lens for incredible zoom capabilities. Selfie lovers will appreciate the 10.5MP front camera on the Pixel 9 and the impressive 42MP shooter on the Pro models. Software and security. Running on Android 14, the Pixel 9 series offers a clean and intuitive user experience. Google's commitment to security is evident with the Titan M2 security coprocessor and a guaranteed 7 years of OS updates, security patches, and feature drops. That's peace of mind for years to come. Which model are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech fun.